thing is not for the streets, man. Oh my god! This thing's wild, dog. This thing is crazy. Fucking gutted. Alright, Jaguar. If you're trying to get your dipstick tube bracket out, you gotta go through here. At least on my 2.5 2013 WRX. Right here. Show you guys. You gotta go down right through there, okay? With some extensions. I use my hand first. And that's so you get the 10mm bolt. Goes to the bracket. You'll see it down there. That's the Pro Tech tip here. I couldn't get clearance to get my pan out. It's hung up on the dipstick tube, pickup tube. I'm sorry, the pickup tube. And I'm gonna unbolt the 2 bolts there. I already undid one. To see if it'll drop down or wiggle a little bit. There's also another bracket there. It'll help. And the back, let's see, back here. That one. There's one back there. Doing the job again. This time not just using black RTV, but I did find a Pro gasket. Here's the part number for a 2013 WRX. So if you're confused, if you need to use black RTV, putty, or actual gasket, here's the gasket. It comes with 2 rubber seals, I think. One goes here. A ring, but I don't know where the other one goes. Yeah. So, I'm gonna figure that part out. You have to pay attention to some models, the Japan versus USA versus European models come with or need certain gaskets or parts.